Hello everyone. I will show you a thick, winter use embossed elastic knit today. 2 rows and 6 loops make up the design. There are 3 loops in the embossed part and 3 in the dividing section. Row 1 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Exchange the places of the next 2 stitches. Knit the second through the back, knit the first through the front. Repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Knit the second through the back, knit the first through the front. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, purl 1. Exchange the places of the next 2 stitches. Purl the second, purl the first. Again. Knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, purl 1. Purl the second, purl the first. I've shown you a unique, simple elastic knit with many texture features, an intriguing design, and lovely relief. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.